Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can complete the crystal gathering quest in Fish It Roblox. So the crystal gathering quest is a new quest inside Crystal Depths located in the Pirate Cove. And if you want to complete the quest, so what you need to do in here, you need to find the Hank Sunken Diary, and after that you'll get the Pickaxe as the reward. So the quest is called Crystal Gathering here, and this is the rewards that you can get after finishing the quest. So what you need to do to complete the quest is fish up a Hank's Diary. So you can get Hank's Diary while catching or fishing the mythic fish inside the crystal depths or in the pirate cove. So as for me, I already got the diary in here, and I got it while I fish or I catch the Komodo Dragon. As you guys can see, this is the mythic fish in the Pirate Cove. This one's right here. So after you got the diary, you can just go back to the crystal depths and talk to Hanks and just click on I found your diary. So just like that, you'll get the pickaxe. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.